Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing Drake Hollow. I've already created a character, so just getting the campaign, I guess. Classic. Alright, just take Herb. Oh, where's the bird gone? It's a very pretty game. Alright, let's go. Come here, bird. Oops. Hey, kid. Okay, burb. Oh, it distanced me. Where'd it go? Okay. Got a different path. What if I just went? Wait, no, I want to go down there. Okay, looks like you can't. This way. Alright. Okay, just like, as soon as you move, just turn very fast. Hey kid, look, I've so defiant. I think you're it. Okay. The wise crow. Storm singing on, gonna need to there's no space for you can cross the radar. Just shrugs. Really use your health. Of course you just start the area. You're much foggier and the long arm on the other side. It's interesting. So this crow is from another dimension or something from this door. It's weird. Gotta warn you, this is a one-way trip, I'm not telling you. Okay. Here for the adventure. Yes, sirree. Okay, I need to stop. Alright. We're going through. Oh. Whoa. I have woken up on the other side. What's up with those glowing mushrooms? Some glowing mushrooms down here. Oh, blight shrooms. I take all of the mushrooms. Give me the shrooms. Oh wait, no. Yeah, just the mushroom. Let's just go. Is it up here? Whoa. That's like, what happened to that church? Oh my god. Looks like I got like taken down or something. There's a lot of vines. These vines are huge. Oh, you made it much better. My head was fogging up. Something off. No offense, I hate crossing. If I'm being honest, I assure you, Christ, it's starting to lose hope. Seems like it's a short supply everywhere they say. Welcome to the Hollow. Seen better days, I'm afraid, and you're kind of like... Okay. I guess we are some sort of, person here gonna help it? I don't know. I'm a very bouncy boy. I jump. Jumpy, jump. Oh, I can hit too. Got a good jump. Not jump, hit. I can punch. Okay. Probably best. Drakes. I need warrior strong, immobilized animals. Look for them, and the hedge is thin. Bring them finished shadows too frail to accomplish. They must work with drakes. Both their power, seek out my affix hidden from the Terminator. I'm guessing those are the bad guys or something. Find them. It's the only way to save the hollow. Okay. She wrote all that down on a piece of wood. Alright, so here. Just conversation. Animal whisper. Oh, I can whisper to animals? I have the animal whisperer. I am Dr. What is his name? Dr. Doolittle. Yes. I am Dr. Doolittle. Alright. I'll just go. Oh, what the heck is this? Why is there a boat here? I jump on the boat. Jump, boat, jump. What is in here? Is this a boat? Okay. We go this way. There's a burb. Wait, is there some? Whoa! Didn't even notice that. I just looked in at the burb. Let's go down. There's an explanation. You have to talk. Oh, hold E to talk. Now that you've had a little nature hike, it's time to get to work. Oh, got a little theory about you know, choose the right person for the job. More to you than you realize. Let's see for yourself. See that pile of crystals over there? Get up close. Attune your mind on walking. What am I gonna do? Okay, looks like I'm trying to do. Awaken the shrine. God. Oh. What the heck? Whoa. Whoa. Holy crap. What is that thing? Look at them. They're so cute. Oh my goodness, they're adorable. Oh god, what is that thing? Okay, I'm gonna. Oh. Wait, what did you just drop? The stick? Wobbly stick. Give me the wobbly stick. Just one. Okay. Where's this guy at? Alright. Not sure what that thing was. Is there an exclamation point on my screen? What the heck? Okay, oh, there he is. What the heck? This thing's disgusting. Kinda look like. Come here. Die. Okay, that was something. Well, I talked to Burb. Said wise crow. Alright. Our esteemed allies, the Drakes, and vanquished a pack of pesky feral. Alright, so they're called ferals. Alright. The Drakes are accompanied by kind souls. Unfortunately, they've had a rough go. Invaders, those terminers, the note mentioned, made a real mess of things. So they're a little skittish around newcomers. Okay. You're gonna need to do something like why to earn their trust. Drakes are plenty hungry and thirsty. Hibernated for so long. Unfortunately, land's no good. Everything comes from the ground. It's blood, and you're gonna need something to cleanse things for them to eat. Crash sword. Remember that attunement business? The crystals. Right, you give a little focus to the Drakes. Okay. Gather up some lumber and build a cleansing cauldron. Check back once. Okay. We have to take a couple glowstone shards, and we'll get started to build some cauldron. Also take this healing so it's the only thing that is going to be scraping the ground. So you're going to need it. Learn how to make more soon enough. Okay. Looks like we need these glowstone shards. Something else. Oh yeah, the healing. Alright, if I hold Q, that does something. I'm gonna beat the crap out of this tree now. got lumber, leaves. Thanks. Oh god. No, die. Die, you thingy. Okay, he's dead. Alright, get all the lumber. Go over here. Get the crap out of this thing. It's a huge tree. I can't believe we knocked it down that fast. These baneberries. Oh, some very interesting looking berries. Let's knock down this tree. Get all the stuff out of it. Push C to enter build mode. Okay. Press Q, E, select structure. Here's where you can select from the structure. Okay. Q. Okay. Cleansing cauldron. Oh, it's so cute! Look at his little face. Kinda looks like an onion. He's so cute. What is he gonna do? Oh! Oh, he's just digging it up out of the ground. Well, that was cool. Oh. Well, that worked. Let's play this crew. Alright, I got it built. Let's see what else you need. Nice work, kid. I knew you had it in you. Alright, using the cauldron. I need to investigate the island a bit for a couple things. Juice boxes and baneberries. Get at least 4 of each and walk into the cauldron and toss them in. Soon the berries and the juice will be cleansed and the drakes can chow down. Use the meal awaiting. You should not. Okay. So I need juice boxes and baneberries, I think. I already collected some baneberries, so I can just no, I don't want to hit it. Okay. We got all the baneberries, we just need juice boxes. Who is that? Who's this up here? Is that a called E to trade? Oh, this is a trading station. Well, I don't need a trade right now, so. Ooh, crystals. Nice. Oh, glowstone. I need that. I can knock down this tree while I'm here. Alright. Let's see if we walk in the— oh god. Okay, do not walk in the water. Do not do that, that's not a good idea. Oh my god. I don't even think that is water, it kind of looks like mist. Almost. What's that noise? Hear that? I don't know. Alright, let's walk up to this this house up here. Maybe there's some juice box. Very old car. Oh crap. I just smacked the crap out of the car. Oh, I got a juice box. Nice. In a blunderbuss shot? Who keeps blunderbuss shots in their car? What? Oh yeah, let's go explore. Just a little bit up here. If I could just hit everything. Is there a certain way I can search for things? Oh, that's something I can hit. Oh, I just broke the window. Juice box. I love the juice boxes. Why did I go British there for a second? What? Another thingy. Oh my goodness, I'm just destroying everything. Nice. Okay, I got everything. Jump out there. Man, I got some mad hops. Like, I can jump. Let's go back over here and put the juice boxes in the cauldron thingy. I think we'll be good to go. Press E to stop cauldron. Nice. Alright. Oh, he's so cute. I keep saying that, but just like, look at him. Nice. Yeah, you eat that. Oh, he looks happy. Amorph woodcutter, 30 plus. Oh, so they have special abilities that they can do. That's cool. Huh. Being peep found. Lucky. 20 plus extra crap. Okay. So they both have different things. Drakes. Okay. Food water, and entertainment. So they need entertainment, food, yeah, all that. Amounts stockpiled. We have 12 food, 5 of that, entertainment, 0 water. We need water. You're making more than you need, you're making less than you need, you're making exactly what you need. Okay. Look at him. He just had it in his head. Ooh, I can hold him. Oh my goodness. Tame buff. Chance to find additional. Oh, nice. Oh. That's cool. Escape to leave. Alright, let's go talk to this guy. Drakes weren't always like this. Their hearts are the same, but their minds aren't. Since the Terminator came along and twisted the magic of this place in their world. They helped me restore the Drakes even so yeah, they want their magic back. God save them while we're finished tending the Drakes' basic needs. The Drakes don't just need food and water, they also need a place to sleep. Also, these folks can literally die of boredom. Oh, that's growing a pretty crafty sleeping spots and entertainment. Then you try building the Drakes a couple of thatched beds and poppets. Like it's a poppet. Now you can get everything for thatched beds as trees for poppets. Cattails. The cars are. Oops. Okay. Now, I guess we have to. Oh, that's a puppet. I guess. Look at that thing. We need to build. Oh, it's a very lovely looking bed. Alright. Q to enter. No, that's not what I need. Isn't it like F? I think E. C. Oh, there it is. Okay. Furniture. Poppet. Upholstery. Scrap. Cat town. Charms. Great. Oh, I can build one poppet. I just need more charms, whatever that is. Should I talk to this guy? Oh. You're building it. Nice. Oh, he gives me the charms, like, and he restores my health. It's nice. Single-use puppets immediately add 2 entertainment as soon as and soon fall apart. Oh. Well, they look pretty cool. Okay. We need to build ourselves a little thingy. I think. There we go. We got ourselves 2 little beds. And we need to leave build mode and go smack down some more trees. Alright. I think this might be the end of this video, so if you did enjoy, please like and subscribe, and I will be making a series on this game, hopefully, if you guys enjoyed it. Well, see you later. Bye!